had to go to the basement to grab some things. So I grabbed these canvases that we had and that little faux plant and that wool right there for a project I'm doing in RIZZY'S room. So I went and got my 10-foot rug. As you know, I shared this with you. I think I shared this with you guys, or you know what? I don't think I shared the room when I had redid it. But I don't currently have a rug and I kind of like it. But I want to see what it looks like and if I do or don't want it in here, then I could decide I can probably sell it. And just to update guys, if I remember, I will put the link to these actual chairs that I got from OfferUp that I'm so ecstatic about. Remember I told you guys when I get stuff, I wait and the universe just brings me the perfect thing that I need. Perfect timing. So I went to IKEA to get RIZZY'S ghost chair and some plants and stuff for her. And I wanted to go to as-is section, which is really crazy because I never go through that part first. I actually come through IKEA and come out to the registers because the as-is is over in that area. But I decided, something said go that way first. So I did that. And I found these bad boys. When I say the quality is amazing and they fit perfectly, they're thick and perfect for these chairs. Now I got to figure out what to do at the back. And I'm going to keep the plastic on. So I figured that out, figure out what type of fabric or whatever. I love the white look. So yeah, if you remember these chairs, I got both of these chairs for $17 and they are huge. They are huge. Just so you know how huge they are, I'm going to tell you the measurements of, I think I had measurements of this cushion. This is so well made, like, and they were only $19.99 a piece, okay? I thought I seen measurements on here. I don't know where it is, but just know they fit, and I got one for both. And guys, they literally only had two, so these were perfectly made for me. Perfectly made for me. I'm so excited about that. Okay, so let's see how this rug looks in the living room. Let's move some stuff around and see how it looks in the living room. Alright guys, so there we have it, and I think I'm liking it. I'm feeling it. It doesn't make it darken like I thought it would. I have to kind of go through the rug and pull, you know, to get the fibers to come back up because they've been rolled up for several months. And I'm going to take, and what my hack is for on the carpet, how to make it lay flat, is you can just wait to let it just lay, because rugs will lay on their own, but then sometimes you have some curls like that one over there that might take longer. So what I would suggest is that I'll take little mini nails, like picture hanging nails, and I'll go and nail those places down in the corners. So that's a good tip for laying an area rug. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. I really am not an end table girl. If you've been rocking with me, you know I've never had end tables in my house, but I have some lovely lamps that I really want to put up. But remember, I had a sofa table behind my last couch, so that's where the lamps were. So now I'm like, what am I gonna do with my lamps? Then I was thinking to put it on a credenza, but I can't because the TV is gonna go up there and it's gonna interfere. So yeah, and I'm waiting for Geek Squad. My babe was like, no, don't try it, because you know I can hang a TV, but he's like, no, that's a big TV, and yeah, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. We're gonna let the professionals do that. He was like, because if it falls, it's gonna be a problem, and then we can't take it back. So yeah, so that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you think, with or without the rug? I'm still trying to get it together and make this house a home. So yeah, I'm sharing that, and I will probably share some of the room starting decorations and makeovers I did from the other house before I moved, because I didn't share those videos because this was a custom couch that I had made, and that rug was a part of that. Like, it was a lot of things, but a lot of furniture I did get rid of and got a lot of new stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in that, let me know below. And that's it guys. So with or without the rug, and I hope this was an enjoyable video. I hope I gave you some good decorating tips from what you see. And if you are new to the family, make sure you subscribe. And that is how you can join the family and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new videos. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys later, Gators.